Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious chocolate mousse using an easy method. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready to go. This recipe uses simple components to create a rich, airy dessert. We'll start by preparing the chocolate and then move on to the eggs and cream. Getting everything organized beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Let's dive into the first step of this delightful treat, using 6 ounces of chocolate and 1/4 cup of sugar. Now let's melt our chocolate. Use a double boiler or microwave it carefully in 30-second intervals, stirring until smooth. Avoid overheating to maintain its quality. In a separate bowl, whip your cold, heavy cream until it forms soft, billowy peaks. Don't overwhip, or it might become grainy. Next, beat the egg whites with half of the sugar until they are glossy and hold stiff peaks. These steps are crucial for the mousse's light texture. With our components ready, it's time to combine them. First, whisk the egg yolks with the remaining sugar until light and creamy, then fold in the melted chocolate. Next, gently fold the whipped cream into the chocolate mixture, being careful not to deflate it. Finally, and most importantly, carefully fold in the stiff egg whites. This step is key to achieving that signature light and airy mousse texture. Chill for at least 2 hours. Your delicious chocolate mousse is now ready to enjoy. Spoon it into elegant dessert cups or small bowls. For a beautiful presentation, garnish with fresh raspberries, a few chocolate shavings, or a light dusting of cocoa powder. This simple yet sophisticated dessert is perfect for any occasion. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy every spoonful of your homemade, easy chocolate mousse.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.